Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Sambut mendirang ba ke jelau ba Preston Tensong ha ka arpu atrik unai weng arajar arpuwe ula ong ba umla setiapan Pdiang da lele ruem ba ka Jingkhuid Jingsuba jong ke jelau Meghalaya kan Hiar arsut chatrai ha ka jinga keren megila pathai ko bor ba Preston ula kam ba gitu ki bale ya ka Jingsor jamin ki shulet petek tang ya ka thai mot pran bat le si hakikat tu kan ni ki benta jong ayo molong bat keno ru ba kam shim ladon setia ka jinglet sorjamin ka bapaka ha ka jela borok ko we la ka long ha ki snong ki badan ha posor ni hanong kendong.
When they conducted the survey, I don't know, maybe they confined themselves only at Matran or maybe somewhere in Yomolong, but they did not properly survey the entire state, be it urban or be it rural. If you say that cleanliness here in Meghalaya, we are in the bottom, I don't believe. Really, I don't believe. Go to any village in the rural area. And now even here in Shillong, you go to the locality, be it Maukhar, be it Mission Compound, or be it Jayao, be it Pokse, be it Nongthamai side, you go and enter the locality, you will see the cleanliness. Because these are the responsibility of the, the Rambashnong, the locality, the local management committee we have, and they don't need pushing from the government side. In fact, they are the one who push it for the cleanliness.